Hello there, my name's Jonas, and I'm a freshman here at UNT. Today, I'm going to be taking you on a tour through my dorm, Greene Hall. Let's go. And welcome to the lobby of Greene. Now, over here, we have the front desk. There's always someone willing to help. Over here, we have a very nice piano. I can't play it, my friends do, but I can't. But what I can do is I can show you the kitchen. Let's go take a look. Pretty nice, right? Well, I myself have a meal plan and I go right across the street to Eagle Landing and get some pretty good food. But over here in the kitchen, I like to cook. I get together with friends and we decide that we just want to make cakes or whatever else is on our minds. And while the food may look disgusting, it tastes pretty good sometimes. I showed you the lobby and the kitchen. Now let's head upstairs and let me show you my dorm room. College isn't all about studying. It's about making some friends along the way too. The RAs here at Greene have these nice little community boards. They post events that are happening all throughout the month. It's important not to study where you sleep. So I like to come over here to this little study corner right by outside my room. Really nice. I get my homework done and I like study for tests and like read my textbooks, as fun as that is. But there is also Willis Library. I go there and it's very helpful. It's open like 24/7. Welcome to my dorm room. Over here, we got my roommate Hector. He's playing some NCAA, you know, because he's just that good. A little bit of Persona, like a bit of like RPG strategy games. Other than all this, let me actually like show you around. So over here we have my closet. This is where I have all my clothes, shoes, jackets, whatever I need for the day ahead of me. And then over here we have my nice snack cart. And this is where I keep all like my popcorn, snacks, protein bars, etc. Right over here is where all the fun stuff happens when it comes to my homework. You have like my laptop and my desk and like a lot of working space and a lot of cool ornaments around here also. Right over here, we have a really nice refrigerator and our Redbox microwave. Not actually Redbox, we just call it that. Some of my hobbies include video games and cars. Just recently, I went to Texas Motor Speedway to go to the Good Guys car show. Saw a lot of really cool muscle cars there and a bunch of other crazy things. I'm really into cars because both my father and my grandfather have owned sports cars and have allowed me to work on it with them. So it gave me so much experience to work with that and to just like take apart engines and brake lines, and it really fueled my passion. I'm majoring in advertising, which is like, you know, the stuff that like you see every time you try to open like a YouTube video, probably like this one. I'm looking to go into more of the automotive field with advertising because that's something I'm really passionate about. It's really great to live on campus because of all of the people here. There's such a strong sense of community. There's tons of places to go and visit. There's also like the football games and basketball games and all these other like sports like that you can go watch. There's something here for everybody. So you're bound to make a bunch of friends along the way. So I have a friend group here at Greene and we meet every week and we like to watch movies. And recently we watched The Nightmare Before Christmas and it was super fun just being able to hang out with my friends and just like kind of nerd out about specific things that I noticed in the movie. It's important to have a friend group like this in college because you work hard and you just have a bunch of stuff that you sometimes need a break from. And having friends in college is different than having friends from like high school. You're all going through this major change and you're all kind of like tackling it together and you're all taking it one step at a time. So just having that group to support you is a major help. Thank you for joining me for my day in the life here at UNT, and be sure to like and subscribe and go Mean Green.